Hello, in this POPUPOLOGY tutorial I'll be showing you how to fold the fireworks design from my range of Origamic architecture pop-up cards. So once you have downloaded and cut your template, you should end up with something that looks like this. In this design you'll be wanting to concentrate on these quite tricky segments at the base of the explosion of the design. But in order to begin, what we do, as always, is to establish a very gentle crease along our baselines by just pinching our card. And this we do literally by slightly pushing from the back with our digits along these center sections whilst holding down the base of our card, but just to a very shallow degree of fold. As you can see, these shapes will want to come forward and protrude towards you as you are doing this, but we want to be stopping at this degree of fold, because if you proceed further, you have a likelihood of damaging other areas of the design. So we need to just develop these top folds to catch up with the development on the bottom. So in order to do that, we'll move on to these sections here and literally pop those out by holding on to the back card with a pinch. And again, you just want to be doing this very gently, and if you have any problems with this firework snagging, just make sure it doesn't catch on this aperture. And also, if you're finding it's sticking somewhat, then you can zoom in and concentrate on certain areas, like I'm doing on this section here. So as you can see, this is slightly presenting some difficulties. So I move in with a pinch from the front and just establish a fold in isolation. So you're literally developing the card in a more sort of detailed section here. And you can do the same thing on the other side, just literally developing it slightly more. And these two side sections can then be further developed by pinching along that valley fold whilst pushing out the bottom section like so. And as you can see, we are almost at a 90-degree stage if viewed from the sides. And at this stage, we are ready to take the entire plane of our card at the back and just apply even pressure to it, folding it further and further forwards. You might want to just literally replicate these movements by just literally small, kind of gentle, progressive folding stages until you get to about this stage where you can, by just turning your card around, you can just press down on the base with a pinch, always checking to see if everything is in line and in the right direction, and adjusting as you go. And finally, if you're happy with everything, you can literally just collapse your piece like so and end up with something that looks like this. So at this stage, it is ready for you to add any personal touches or decorations, and also if you want to cover the back of your card to cover this void area, I recommend you use a transparency backing sheet, which you can just literally glue onto the back with a few glue tabs at the corners, and end up with some really exciting color and light and shade effects, as you can see here. So I hope you have fun with this folding project, and do check out all my other videos online. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.